machine. Better stand back.
Okay, all right, here we are. I'm pulling out some stumps today in the backyard, but it's a tight squeeze. So before it's a tight squeeze, we gotta have a beer. And there's two. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I shortened the legs up. I think you can see the legs down there, and we're just going to make it. We got 1.5 inches to spare, so it's going to take a little nice shooting to get it through this gate here, but give me a second and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, there you have it, folks.
And he cheated!
Alright, I had to take the door off. What can I tell you? I had 1.5 inches, but I was coming in on the angle and I just couldn't make it, so we had to pull the door off. So these are the stumps. Those puppies there. So give me a couple of minutes there and I'll get back to you. Alright. Alright, well, there's one stump. There's one stump. And she came out pretty good. Had to do a little cutting here or there of the roots, but 4 or 5 more to go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. So there was 5 in total. So I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour. Hopefully I should have these out. And we're going to use the thumb attachment, and we're going to put them in Greg's trailer that he's hooking up there to the riding lawnmower, and we'll take him out to the burn pit. So there's our day's work, and so far she's been running pretty good. I made a couple of little boo-boos with my my pins down here. Right there, the pins. Some of them don't align too well, so I gotta re-drill those. But hey, you know, for the first time, it's running pretty good. I'm really happy with it, and I gotta give thanks to 500 Passwords and the other fellow. Mighty Poo, I think his handle is on YouTube there. You guys have been a real good influence, and I appreciate that and all your help. Okay, all right, we'll talk to you soon. Okay, so we got the rest of the stumps pulled. Got a couple in the trailer over there. We got one big honker here, and we just pulled that one there. So I think we're going to load this one with the thumb. So I'm just going to attach the thumb, and we can drop that one in the trailer and clean it all up. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Alright, there it is. I got the thumb going. Back, don't, hey, what are you? There you go. Alright. There it is. I got the thumb on there. We're dropping the tree stump into the trailer. And we're going to haul the last one over to the fire pit over there.
We're going in a pool.
And we're going in a pool. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching. And again, thanks to everyone who was looking at the website, 500 passwords there, and Mighty Foe. Thanks guys. Cheers. Okay. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.